Hello friends, file and directory provisioning is a very common task in our day-to-day operations. Files can be created to store different type of information or data, and directories can be created to group these files. In this video, we will learn about how we can create different type of items like files, directories, etc. with different options in different cases. New -item command is used to create files, folders, registry keys, hard links, etc. But what exactly can be created at a time depends upon PS provider that we are working with. Suppose if we are working with registry provider, we can create registry keys. If we are working with file system provider, we can create files, folders, symbolic links, etc. In this example, in first command, we are trying to create a text file that is file1.txt under specified path that is current directory. In second command, we are trying to create a registry key under a specified path that is a registry hive. NI is an alias for this command. Personally, I strongly encourage everybody to use aliases because they save time of writing code and length of code itself. In example, we can see command has 8 characters, but its alias NI has only 2 characters. This way, we can easily differentiate for benefits. As you saw in previous slides, new -item command can be used to create many type of items. So, item type parameter can be used to specify what exact type of item we want to create. Type could be a file, directory, symbolic link, junction, or hard link. In this example, in first command, by defining item type as file, we are trying to create a text file with name test underscore file.txt under specified path that is current folder. In second command, we are creating a directory by defining item type as directory. In third command, we are creating a shortcut or symbolic link by defining item type as symbolic link. Confirm parameter is used to give a confirmation prompt before running the command. This helps us to be double sure about our action. In this example, we are trying to create a text file, and by defining confirm parameter, we are ensuring that we get a confirmation prompt before our file is actually created. Path parameter is used to specify path under which we want to perform action or under which we want to create item. Also, we can define the name of item for file to be created in path only instead of specifying it separately. Path may also contain wildcards. In this example, in first command, we are trying to create a file by defining its name separately with name parameter, but in second command, we are trying to create a text file by specifying its name in path parameter only. Name parameter is used to specify name of item that you want to create. Also, we have flexibility that we can specify the path of item along with name of item in name parameter only. In example, in first command, we are trying to create a text file under specified path by specifying name of file using name parameter, and path we are specifying using path parameter separately. But in second command, we are specifying path of item and name of item in name parameter only. Value parameter is used to set contents of newly created item like file. In example, we are trying to set contents of newly created file using value parameter. Force parameter is used to create intermediate directories of specified path in case they do not exist already. Also, force parameter is used to overwrite files in case they already exist. In example, in first command, we are trying to create a file with name forcefile.txt in directory force-dir, but in actual, the directory specified in path doesn't exist. Now it comes the magic of force parameter that will create directory force-dir even if doesn't exist already. In summary, whether the directory specified in path exists or not, we don't have to worry about. If we have used force parameter, we will get our desired file created for sure. In second command, we are trying to create a file that already exists. In this case, force parameter will remove the already existing file and it will create a new file with same name. Please be careful about your action in this case because once a file is overwritten, it is removed along with its contents. Now let's recap. New -item command is used to create files, folders, registry entries, hard links, etc. Ni is an alias for this command. Creation type depend on location, like whether it is file system, registry, or any other PS provider. Item type parameter is used to define the file system supported items like file, directory, symbolic link, junction, hard link, confirm, path, name, value, force are some of the supported parameters for this command.